Hey everyone, welcome back. And today we will be doing another lead code problem 617 merge to binary trees. An easy one. You are given two binary trees, root 1 and root 2. Imagine that when you put one of them to cover the other, some of the node of two are overlapped while the others are not. You need to merge the two trees into a new binary tree. The merge rule is that if two nodes overlap, sum them values up as the new value of the merged node. Otherwise, the not null node will be used as the node of the new tree. Return the merged tree. So the note is the merging process must start from the root of the both trees. So we have two trees, 1 3 2 5 and this tree. So we have to take start from the root, add them up and take the value, put it in the new, you can say, at a certain location, at that specific location of a new tree. So this is just making a new tree, and that's it. Like 1 plus 2 will return 3, and 3 at the same location with 1 at the second tree will return 4, and 2 with 3 will return us 5. And now we have 3 left, which is 5, but 1 at that location. In this, you can say we are going parallelly, so 1 does not have a left, so we'll be assuming that it has a left, that is, you can say, a 0. So we will just add 5 plus 0 and put it in the new binary tree. And now we have 3 right. We do not have a 3 to its right. 3 does not have a children to the right, but 1 does have a children to the right. So we'll just do the same, assuming 3 has 0 child, and just adding them up and putting it into the new location. And 2 does not have something on the left, 3 does not have something on the left. We will just add nothing in that case. 2 does not have something to the right, but 3 does have something to the right. So 7 plus 0, just you can say how we explained the other nodes. So that's it. 7 plus 0 will return us 0. And that's it. So first of all, starting with, if there is not a root 1 and not a root 2, we will just return in that case. And if there is a root 1, we will take its value 1, you can say, and root 1 dot val. Okay. So in the else case, as we said, that we will just assign that value is equal to 0 if there is a root that is invalid or null. So root, if second root, we will just value, doing the same to the second tree, root value, and in the else case, assigning that to 0. And now what we'll do is just adding them up. So a root, making a root node which will be tree node, and adding these values up. So root at value 2. So this is done, and we want to go to the left. So root dot left will be equal to the self at, calling the method again, merge trees. Okay, so now we will pass it the root 1 left only if the root itself is valid. So root it, yes, if the root itself is valid, we will pass it. Otherwise we will just pass none. And doing the same to the root of 2. So root at 2 at the left, we will see, like, if it is valid, the root itself is valid, then else, or basically exist, you can say. So we'll be copying this line just for the right side, and that's it. Right side, and taking the right side also. If the root 1 is valid, pass the right. If the root 2 is valid, pass the right, otherwise the none. So that's it. And after doing that, we can just return, what do we have to return, like root. uh, yes, I think it is root. So that's it. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask them in the comments, and see you later.